Hi guys! Today we are learning how to recover deleted Instagram posts. First, unlock your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you are logged into the same account where the post was deleted. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open your Instagram profile where all your posts and account settings are available. From here, we can access the recovery options. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. This will open the Settings and Activity menu. Instagram keeps account management and recovery options inside this section. Now tap on the Your Activity option. Here you can view your account actions like posts, likes, comments, and recently deleted content. This section helps you manage your Instagram activity easily. Now look for the Recently Deleted section and open it. Here, Instagram stores deleted posts, reels, and stories for a limited time before permanent removal. Carefully find the deleted post you want to recover. Finally, open the deleted post, tap on the three dots, and select Restore. Instagram may ask you to verify your identity before restoring the post. After confirmation, your deleted post will appear back on your profile automatically. And that's how you can recover deleted Instagram posts step by step. Just remember that Instagram only keeps deleted posts for a limited time inside the Recently Deleted section. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more easy Instagram tutorials.